Hi all, this is Sanoop here. So in the last video I have shown installing some accessories in the base petrol variant of Tata Nexon. It is the XE version, and now we have got a white car. It is Tata Nexon itself, and the version is base diesel version, that is XM. And in this car we are going to install central locking system, Android infotainment system 9-inch. In the first video which I have shown, we have installed 10-inch stereo, but in this car we are going to install 9-inch stereo along with 2 pairs of JBL speakers and also fog lamps. So in the last video, many of them have commented saying that if you do all this, the warranty will be void and all, but it is not at all right, because if there is something like that, then why the car manufacturers are giving a base model with no accessories and the provisions to install it? So that's a question mark. So it is just baseless things what this car dealers do in order to just get the things installed from their showroom itself. So there is no warranty issues at all. Neither we are going to cut any wire and all. We are using pair couplers in order to install this stereo. And in the last video I haven't shown how we install the central lock and all. So this central lock which we are going to use, we are going to do it with a flip key. So many of them will be knowing that those who are buying the Tata Nexon base model, they will be getting a just this key without any base. So this central locking system is having a flip key provision in order to use this. So let's get started. So in this car, as I said, we will be installing a budget Android infotainment system. So the brand which we are going to install is G-Sonic. So let's see the features. We can give rear camera for this. The display is IPS display, and the Android version is 8.1, and it has a capacitive touch. It can even play 4K Ultra HD video. It has a GPS system, and the RAM is 2 GB along with the internal memory of 16 GB. Okay, so this is a budget model and it doesn't cost much. The cost varies depending upon the frame of the car which we are going to fix. Okay, so this is the thing. And in the last video we have fixed, this is the box of that stereo. It is DHC Android player, and it has Android 9, and it supports USB, SD, aux and all. It has a mirror link function, GPS, and apart from that we have a feature called as HD camera input. HD camera input is a camera which we fix near the dashboard, okay, and it records all the it works just like a dash cam. It records all the view which comes in the front, and it also have a feature called as AHD, which shows us if we are driving very fast, it just alerts us to slow down. So that's a good feature. It has Bluetooth, it has a extra external mic also, and even I have used this, the touch, everything is good, and it has a 1-year warranty. So this is the thing, it's a DHC Android 9.0. It has a 12 months warranty. For premium brands, there's a brand called as Lancaster. Okay, this is also an Android system, and this is an OE replacement system. It just means that there is no separate frame for this. The stereo comes with the frame. Okay, so you just need to just plug and play and just add. You don't have to keep a frame separately. So this stereo comes with a frame, and it is expensive when we compare to other brands, but it's a premium brand. So in order to select which Android system you want, okay, you can just select out of these based upon your budget. Alright, so we are starting with the fog lamp, and the fog lamp is for Nexon. And you can see the Nexon XM base model diesel is similar to Nexon petrol base model. So we have the space to install the stereo, and here we'll be installing the 9-inch stereo. And when we compare it with other cars, the Nexon's body is very strong. Okay, it's not easy to remove each parts. We need to take effort to do each, and there are plenty of screws for this. Alright, we have fixed the fog lamps, And I think you might be knowing, if we compare the white color with other colors, the white color looks a bit larger. Okay, it's just a look and it looks massive. And this is our stereo. This is G-Sonic 9-inch infotainment system. Okay, this has a 2 GB RAM and 16 GB internal memory. Okay, and it supports a voice command, Google voice command. Okay, and the touch is good. And basically, those who are having a less budget can go for this model. This model has a 1-year warranty. Okay, and you can plug in USB. There is Bluetooth. You can call. And it looks a right fit for the Nexon XM. And this is the reverse cam view. So when we put the reverse gear, you can see the bright night cam view of this camera. And even the camera is having a 1-year warranty. And the fog lamps looks really good for Nexon, and this colors is yellow light, so it will be good if we convert it to a white light. And this is a central lock with flip key. Okay, so the central lock works really fine, and it has got a flip key, and also the Tata logo and the back. This looks good. And we have also installed the roof rail for this car. It gives a good look, and also the shark fin antenna. So we have converted the car.
And where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and petals happen.